Hello folks, I'm back again, and my name is Mike with Charitable Computing, and today we are going to learn how to clean laptop screens, also the laptop cases, and you can use this method to clean any windows and even your monitors and your HDTVs, all for a fraction of the price of buying the solutions that they try to tell you that you need to get. So first off, let's go over some of the basics here. I'm going to show you some of the chemicals that I use and some of the procedures. So I've got a laptop I'm going to show you in just a moment, and then we are going to just get right into it. Okay, so what we have here is just a basic roll of paper towels. I've got my favorite PB Blaster, that I always use, and what I wanted to tell you is never use the regular glass cleaner with ammonia. That will damage your screen, will damage your TV, damage your monitor, anything. Instead, use invisible glass, or at least a glass that doesn't have a glass cleaner doesn't have ammonia, and is good for tinted windows. You can get this at an auto parts store for like $5 for this large container. $3 for this, and it'll be good for you for probably the life of your device. Okay, another thing we're going to need, and I have it back here, is just a regular chamois. So let's get to work. Alright, so the laptop we have here is an Acer. It looks like a tuba. Aspire. It's seen better days. It definitely has some streaks across the monitor. I don't know if you can actually see them too well in the video, but definitely right down here. There's a whole bunch of fingerprints up here, and also the back of it is all spotted, which I'm sure you're familiar with if you've owned a laptop at all. So what we're going to do is we're going to clean this monitor. Whoops, it went out of focus. But we're going to clean this monitor and back, and I'll show you how it's done in just a few minutes. Okay, first we're going to put the laptop down on its back, extend it out as far as possible, try to counterweight it. We're going to take the PB Blaster. Alright? Just a little bit on there. Take some fresh paper towels. Thing wants to flip over, so. Alright. And we're going to rub this in. This also works if you want to take off the stickers like here. It's amazing on how well it takes off the adhesive. As a matter of fact, while I have it here, might as well take off this little sticker and remove the adhesive. That, unfortunately, I don't think it's going to come out with. Well, sometimes I'm surprised. It did come out, for the most part. Looks like it's a burn from a cigarette, though. Nasty habit, don't ever start. Alright. Alright, so now you have pretty much, look at that. That's how much that took off. So now we're going to do a few applications of the invisible glass. The first one just basically takes off most of the PB Blaster. I usually do about 2 or 3 times just to make sure it has a nice shine to it. Make sure you get in the cracks. And you already see it's looking much better already. Another round. Better way to prop this up. Hold on. There you go. And now we're doing the polishing. You know you'll be done polishing because you won't see any of the streak marks. It'll also have a little bit more of a grip to it. Looks pretty good, but I'm going to do it one more time just because I strive for perfection. There you go. You can see it's coming right up now. Alright. Make sure the bezel's clean. Now we're going to take our chamois and we're just going to give it a nice little rub, take any lint off that might have accrued, and give it a nice polish. So there you go. You have a monitor now that looks brand new. Alright? Now, let's work on the backlit. Make sure we're still in focus. Alright, so you can see how dirty the backlit is from this angle. So we're going to do the same thing. PB Blaster. You can get a little bit aggressive with it. It's not going to take out scratches, but it'll take out any of that, you know, that everyday dirt that you sometimes get. Or any adhesive or anything of the such. Looks like the previous owner to this one had left it in the sun and let it get baked with the charger coating. That's how good it gets cleaned up. And we'll do the same thing. Clean it off with the invisible glass. I do this a couple times just to make sure it doesn't have any of that oily residue. And you'll know that you're getting to the bottom of it when you start feeling that grip on your paper towel. Alright, so there we go. Other than the light scratches that it has, it looks pretty new. Here we go. Oh, much better. Alright folks, so that is the best and easiest way to clean your laptop or any monitors or anything else. As you can see, I've got a whole bevy of them here. Sorry about the mess. If you walk into a workshop and it's clean, leave. But I use the same method to clean all of these. So, hope you learned something today, and we'll be back with you folks again soon.